Hi, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction Pisces. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay. Okay. Morality, you're going with the flow, you're trusting your moral values. Okay, you're juggling between two choices, to decision, to connections, to problems. Oh my god, there are a lot of delays happening when it comes to your stability. Someone is not participating, or there is not proper participation from someone's side. That's what you feel. Lack of understanding and morality, a lot of compromise. You are not going to compromise on something, or thinking that you have there's a lot of comparisons going on, and you feel disappointed being into that comparison mode. Okay, there's a success waiting for you. You are moving towards your success. You're taking actions towards it. Your healing has been blocked. That's the problem. You're letting go of something or someone in the month of December. Either letting go of a person, either letting go of a relationship, either letting go of your own fears, problems, doubts, and issues related to yourself. Okay, so you're letting go of something. Okay, I just want to tell you that your healing has been blocked and you need to think about it, because that's not a good sign. In the month of December, messages. Okay, I don't know how I picked it up, but I am not going to take it. I am going to reshuffle it again to have a better reading. There is instability going on financially. You're concerned about money, materialistic world a lot, thinking to double it back. You're hoping for a good, successful marriage. Okay, there's some energy, some movement has been blocked related to wedding thing. I think you two guys are into separation. There's issues related to a stability. There's stagnancy into a new beginning. New beginning is not happening right now. Instability related to long-term commitment, twin flame connection. There's instability going on into your twin flame connection or a soulmate connection by universe, and I think you two are into separation, and that's why you're hoping for coming together, but that's not happening. That's also one part, and also the other part is that money related stuff is the blockage right now. Okay, you want to leave past behind and you want to move forward, but that is not happening because there is some issues going on into your marriage. You are thinking to either live a relationship behind and move alone in future related to your stability, but at the same time I think you want to leave the past behind and move forward, but there is a blockage, stagnancy, either from your side or from your person's side. Okay, also you are thinking to relocate, reshift, or travel to a new city or a new country, but there is also a stagnancy going on. That's not happening, so that's the problem, and that makes you a lot more disappointed. You want a new beginning related to a communication, but the communication has been blocked. There is less or no communication, and there is a blockage in when it comes to a new beginning. Like universe is creating a lot of blockages for you, and that's the thing. You're not trusting your intuition level. You want to move away from fights, problems, disappointments, related to anything. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. A lot of disappointments going on and you want to move away from it, but that's, I don't know, you are doing it it energetically, or you are going to do it when it comes to actions. Okay, so like actions speaks louder than words. So I don't know, you are just doing it energetically, or you are just thinking about it or not doing it. That's the problem. Okay, so yeah, there's a karmic changes going on, karmic problems. There might be a divorce taking place for some of you, and there might be a court case might be happening, or there might be a karmic cycle ending related to a marriage stuff. So yeah, or a relationship. So yeah, your partner is karmically attached to you, and a new offer, new message, you are waiting for some sort of an offer, some sort of a message, some sort of a email, some sort of a text from your person or someone, but that's not happening. There's a stagnancy. Okay, someone, you're thinking that someone should reach out to you, but that's not happening. Okay, you are releasing all the confusion, burdens, problems, tensions into your life. You're hoping for a reconciliation or reunion, happiness again, but that's not happening. There is some major shakeup which is about to hit your life in the upcoming months. Either you end the karmic relationship or universe will end it for you. Okay, so if you are not ending a karmic relationship, then universe will end it for you, and universe will interfere into this matter, and you need to understand that. A lot of thinking, overthinking, contemplation, meditating, rejuvenating is going on. A major shakeup is happening into your life, and you also don't know why it's happening. Okay, so yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, you are going through some major emotional stuff. You're just being emotional enough when it comes to a relationship or a commitment. I think there you are dealing with a twin flame connection. That's a past life issues which has to be resolved, because there is a karmic connection involved. You're juggling between two choices, two options, two decisions when it comes to a reconciliation. Thinking about it, evaluating the pros and cons, what you want to do. Okay, you are disappointed about moving. You are thinking to move away from sneaky energy, manipulative energy. At the same time, you are disappointed because that thing is not happening for you. You are thinking to end something, either a relationship, either a karmic attachment, either a situation, but that is not happening. It is being blocked in by the universe in the month of December. That's the problem. You're trying to balance your money related stuff. So yeah, you are hoping for some wish fulfillment right now, which will not happen now. You are just being disappointed about certain things. You are just want to be with a fire energy, or else you just want to be into a fiery zone for yourself. So you are just releasing all the obstacles. Like first you were trying to fix your problems, now you're no more making efforts to fix your problems. Like you're just going with the flow because you are done with something, some issues. A lot of problems are going on, either into your home life, issues related to your home life, and yeah. Okay, so some major, you're releasing the recovery of money. Like, in the past you are waiting for money to be recovered. Now you are no more waiting about it. You are just, thinking to take an action, okay, about something or someone. Okay. Okay, so there is third party situation involved, and you are highly indecisive when it comes to a third party situation, third party interference, who is interfering into relationship. So that's a problem. Self love and self care, you are not loving yourself more. You are not trusting your intuition level. My advice for you in the month of December is you need to trust your intuition level. Need to trust your self love, and self care should be important. which is not happening right now. You're carrying on a lot of baggage, and you're carrying a lot of baggage and burdens with yourself, and there are a lot of hidden energies, hidden secrets, hidden truths, manipulative energies around you. Okay, like there are two dogs barking, so I think there are a lot of dogs around you. Okay, so you need to release it, because a lot of hidden secrets, hidden truths related to a situation has been revealed, and I think you feel fearful and you feel sad and disappointed knowing about the truths of the situation. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Okay, yes, you sometimes you just want to take an action and move towards something, or you just feel that you need to reach out to someone, but that energy has been blocked by the universe. I don't know, I think I'm dealing with, I'm talking about some twin flame relationship with stuff. So there's getting together, then a separation, then thinking about coming together. I don't know, like it's not for all, but 2% or 5% of the people might resonate with this situation. This is a very weird energy. It's related to situationship and career. So yeah, I don't know. One last card. Okay, so yeah, you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to a situation, certain situations. Okay, and now you are no more going to give a fuck about anything. I would suggest you take your own decisions, be independent, do not. You also know that there is a third party situation involved. Okay, so you need to release it. Okay, do what is best for you. Okay, I think there is dominant energy from a father side also. Your father is dominant or your mother is dominant, anything. So a lot of interference is going on. So do what you want and take your wise decisions in life. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.